Hi everyone, this is Practice Formative, Chapter 3, question number 19. So the following diagram shows part of the curve y equals to 6x minus x squared. So let me just write that. We have y equals to 6x minus x squared. And then of course in the factor form we can find the roots. So the roots are 0 and 6. So there's 6 here, this is 0 here. And the straight line y equals to 2x. So y equals to 2x is here. And the line PQ is perpendicular to the x-axis. So 90 degrees here. So we need to find the area of the shaded region. So in this case, we just need to integrate from this point to here. Because the area of the shaded region is bounded by the curve, the PQ and the x-axis. So the area under the curve will be the area below the curve towards the x-axis. Therefore, the integration should be y dx. Y dx. So then we have to find the boundaries on the x-axis. So I have 6 here, but I don't have this point here. So let's find the coordinates of P. The point P will satisfy the two equations. So we will take, let's call the straight line y1, the curve y2. So we will know that y2 equals to y1, 6x minus x squared will equals to 2x. And bring this one to the other side, we will have x squared minus 6x plus 2x, so we have minus 4x. So we factorize it, we will have x minus 4. Therefore, the point of intersection will be, the root will be x equals to 0 or 4. So 0 and 4 is here. So we just integrate the curve will do because there is no area under the straight line. We only integrate under the curve. Therefore, area of the shaded region, it's equivalent to integration from 4 to 6 towards the x-axis. So our expression here must be in terms of x. So 6x minus x squared. So let's integrate this. We will have 3x squared minus x cubed over 3. And from the boundary 4 to 6, let's substitute the value. So 6 squared minus 6 to the power 3 over 3. And then for the same integrated expression, we substitute 4 in. So 4 to the power of 2 minus 4 to the power of 3 over 3. Okay, so the next part will be depend on the calculator. So for the first part, we have 36 here. 36 minus, okay, 26 and 2/3. So minus 26 and 2/3. Therefore, let's minus this. Therefore, we have found the answer for question number 19. 9 and 1 over 3 squared. Okay, that's it.